welcome to Adventures with the Mullies. My name's Tommy. There's Joe. So we're at the TUI Magic Life in Fuerteventura in the Canary area on the Canary Islands. So I thought I'd do this bit a bit separate because this is the premium Daybeds. Beautiful sea views, mate. Look at that. I'm going to show you some footage as well as we go along. So they bring you food, drinks. It's all premium drinks as well rather than your local alcohol. It's absolutely brilliant. So you've got the likes of like your Gordons and Bombay Mix, Martinis. We're having a Peril Splits, I think they're called. Yeah, cocktails such as like your daiquiris. It's just brilliant, absolutely fantastic, totally worth the money. So you can book the Daybed on its own, you can book it with the premium drinks, and you can also book it with premium drinks and food. They do vary from €20 per person per day. We went full out and decided, what the heck, get it all done. So yeah, enjoy this little footage with me, but for now, adios.